Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to our computer class, and may the blessing of Allah be with you and your family. So again I will tell to you Eid Mubarak. See, you are girls, so I hope you put some designs. Even I put on my hand, I know very well. So I put uh, some design like this, so I'm sharing with you. You celebrate it good. I also, so I make some sweets. I hope you also making different type, you not your parents making different kinds of sweets. So okay, I hope it was good, alhamdulillah. So we should come back our class. So welcome to all. After it we came after 52 weeks, so I hope everyone is good. So we will start our computer class. So you know very well keyboard, you're using keyboard, so I'm telling about the keyboard today. Mouse, printer and speaker, microphone and headphone, UPS, CD, ROMs and DVDs. Okay dear all, so today I will explain this all, so be careful. Okay dear, your sweeties, please listen carefully. Keyboard. A keyboard has alphabets key, number keys and special functions key. When you press the key, the same letter or character is seen on the monitor. You know, whenever we want something like we want to go and search in YouTube, just type whatever you want. For example, you are searching rhymes like ABCD song or ABCD rhyme. So same letter you will just type in keyboard like ABC. Whatever you are pressing keys here on the keyboard, it same letters is you can see on your computer screen. So we are using basically keyboard for the typing. Okay dear all, and come to the mouse. A mouse is a pointing device. It has long wire attached to the CPU. You know, without wire also we are using mouse nowadays. Okay, so previous the pupils, still the pupils also using uh, mouse with the wire. Okay, so that at wire we are attached to the CPU. It has two button and the scroll wheel. Mouse controls the movements of arrow on the screen. You know, we are mouse is control whenever we are pressing drag, drop, draw. So it helped us to do these things. Okay, it help you to draw and make the work easy on the computer. A mouse should be kept on a mouse pad as it moving well on smooth surface. If you are using mouse, so please in the market available mouse pad, if you are keeping your mouse on the mouse pad, it works smoothly, fastly and nicely. If you are not using so mouse pad, so it is not working properly. Okay, so whatever instruction is there, whatever things we want, we should keep ready. Okay, so mouse basically we are using for controlling the what control the movement of arrow. Okay, and sometime we want circle, so we are selecting also and drawing. Then we want to move this picture to one place to another place, so it will help to us drag here and drop there like that. Okay, So keyboard we are using for the typing. Mouse we are control the movement of arrows. Now come to the printer. Everybody knows very well printer because it's nowadays so important. Whatever worksheet we are giving and we are uploading, so your parents using printer and take out the print, same print, and showing to solve the worksheet. So it's you saw also printer. Okay, a printer is used to print text or pictures on paper. The printout is called hard copy. Whatever print your parents are bringing and giving to, it is called hard copy. Okay dear all, so you know very well speakers also. You can listen music or to record soundboard using speaker. You know, if the laptop or systems are voice is so slow, so for the high voice and we can easily listen the voice, so we are using the speaker. Keyboard we are using for the typing. Mouse we are using for control the movement of arrows, and printer we are using to take out, to use to print text or pictures on paper. Speaker we are using for listening music, and okay, and whatever you want, listening the song, and sometime we want to listen the qiraat. Okay, so we are using for, actually we are using for big voice, loud we want to listen, so we are using the speakers. Okay dear all, now come to the microphone. But here we are using also, I told you, when you play game or which movie on a computer, you can hear the sound with the help of a speaker. Whenever you are watching the movies or cartoons, you want loud voice, so we are using also speaker. Okay dear all, now come to the microphone. You can record your voice or sound by using a microphone. Okay, microphone you can easily we are using for the recording. Okay dear all, okay, headphone, headphone. Okay, headphone we are using, everybody using this. You can listen to recorded sound, song and voice using, we want to talk in India or someone talking India from the other side, so that voice is not go or not spread here and there, so we are using this headphone. Okay, we are using headphone, and we are, it's so easy and comfortable. If you in the we are using this, it's not compulsory we are using in laptop, we are using in mobile also. Okay, UPS is, what is the UPS? What is UPS? I'm waiting. UPS we are using for keeping the power, keeping the electricity stored. UPS keeps the computer work for some time when the electricity gone off. You know, in India we are using almost. In Saudi Arabia we don't want this, because whenever the system, like laptop we are using, we already have the battery, so whenever the battery off, they are giving the signal low battery. Like phone also low battery, so we are keeping for the charger. But you know, system, computer systems, they are not, they are going working direct with the switch. Okay, so you can see the downside, that computer, this computer, desktop tech computer, we are using electricity directly. So if we are using UPS, so it's easy. Whenever the light is going, at least half an hour, 1.5 hours, it will work without electricity, like a battery. Okay, so it's very good. If you are using system in India, suddenly if the light is gone, so it will help us to, we should continue our work. So it is also so important, UPS. Come to the CD-ROMs and DVDs. A CPU has drive to put your CD. You can store the information on your CD with the help of CD writer. Similarly, you can put your DVD in a DVD drive. In the CPU, we have here CD player right side. In my laptop, I have right side CD drive. So we can use CD and DVD both, and we see the our informations things like which CD I put. If I put about computer information, so I can easily see. If I put any movies CD, so that is also work. So we can use that same drive writer, same driver, CD drive, and we are using DVD and CD and seeing whatever we are putting CD. Okay, if I put or you put cartoon CD, so we can easily watch the cartoon. If you put music CD like videos, movies, or audio CD or video CD, so whatever you are putting CD, that according to the CD work, and you can see on the where you will see on the monitor. Okay, dear all, I hope you understand all. Microphone we are using for the voice or sound recorded, and headphone we are using listen to the recorded song and voice using headphone. UPS we are keeping the computer work for some time when the electricity goes off. And CD-ROMs and DVD has a CPU, has a CD drive. CPU, I am saying CPU, brain of the computer. It has a CD drive to put your CD. You can store the information on your CD with the help of CD writer. Similarly, you can put your DVD in a DVD drive. We are using nowadays USB, but before we are using CD also for something we are storing and saving in the CD. For later on we will see. Okay, so I hope you understand. So please, if you completed this, excuse if you not completed this, please complete in the copy. Thank you so much. Video, CPU, printer, speaker, microphone, UPS and CD. And this exercise also, this key terms and exercise A, you should complete in your copy. If you completed, excuse it, just for the remind I am telling to you. I hope you understand, you enjoy my class. Thank you so much. Take care, keep social distance, keep safely, stay at home, don't go outside. Remember in your beautiful duas. Thank you so much. Bye.